Ever feel like you are babysitting your computer? So you have got this brilliant AI agent, let's say OpenClaw, capable of scraping data, analyzing markets, or managing your emails. But there is a catch. It only works when you tell it to do. You need to initiate the first move. Now imagine every morning while you are sleeping, your AI agent automatically wakes up and works for you till you awake. The result is ready for your review. The true way of autonomous agent. So how can we achieve this? Using Cron Job. Think of it as the heartbeat of a Linux system. It's a time-based job scheduler that's been around since the 70s because, frankly, it's perfect. It uses a simple syntax, the cron tab, to tell the computer exactly when to run a script, whether it's every minute, every Tuesday at 4 a.m., or only on Christmas. Cron never forgets. When we pair OpenClaw with a cron job, we transition from reactive AI to proactive AI. Instead of you asking, hey, what's the news? OpenClaw wakes up at 6 a.m. because of a cron command, scans the web, synthesizes a report, and has it sitting in your inbox before your coffee is brewed. Let's jump into steps to set up OpenClaw cron job on Windows. So in OpenClaw dashboard, you can see a cron job control panel to view job status and job history. Then on the right side, which you can add a new job. So you can provide a name and description. Then add schedule if you want it to run every specific time or just at a specific day. Next, in the assistant prompt is what you want it to do. For example, read through all my inbox and prioritize them. Only show me the top 5 emails that needs my attention. Click on Add Job and we successfully added a cron job. In the Job tab, you can see your newly added cron job, and if you no longer needed it, you can remove it, or if you want to change the schedule, you can edit it easily. This is the set it and forget it philosophy of modern automation. Cron provides the schedule and OpenClaw provides the intelligence. Together, they take artificial intelligence and turn it into autonomous productivity. No babysitting required anymore. If this video helped you understand AI a little better, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI related news. See you in the next video.